Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can swipe in several ways to go backwards on absolutely any iPhone. Friends, please subscribe to our channel, put your likes, and also write your comments after watching this video. So let's get down to our topic. And first of all, I'm going to show you how you can come back. If you're in the settings and you're here, let's say you've gone to Face ID. Let's choose Siri. Now, in order to go back to the previous page, you can either click on the back arrow in the top left-hand corner, and that takes you back to settings. Or you can just swipe from the left side to the right side, like this, which will also take you back to the original page. Let me show you again. You swipe from left to right in the middle of the screen, like this. And as you can see, that's how I got back to the settings. But if you are, for example, in a store, in the App Store, and you have gone to a page, and you have read the information, and now you are wondering how to get back from the page, you can use the cross in the upper right corner to close the page. Or you can use the same method that you just used to exit the settings. That is, swipe back from the left side to the right side of the screen. Let me show you again. To exit, you swipe from the left side to the right side in the middle of the screen. This will take you back to the original page. But if you're in Safari, for example, you've gone to a website and you've come to a page here, like a link, more precisely. And in order to go back, there's an arrow in the bottom left corner, and you can click on it, and that will take you back. And you can also swipe the screen from the left side to the right side to go back to the original page. Friends, these are the methods, depending on where you go, where you want to exit from, but you've seen several methods how you can go back to the original page on any iPhone from completely different settings. Friends, I really hope this video helped you and was helpful. Please write your comments, put your likes, and also subscribe to our